jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi Learn. In this video, we can see some problems regarding the voltage divider circuit. These problems I took from the book of Electrical Circuit and Analysis written by John Bird. See the first problem, determine the value of voltage shown in the figure. They have given a network of a series circuit. They have given the input voltage is 50 volt and the series resistance of 4 ohms and 6 ohm. They have required the value of voltage across a 6 ohms resistor. The voltage divider equation can be given as V output would be equal to V total, V input into where the voltage has to be found, that is resistance divided by the total resistance that present in the circuit, R1 plus R2. Assume this as R2, assume this as R1 and this as R2. So R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is the V output voltage which we have to found. So V input is 50 volt, R2 is 6 ohms divided by total resistance is 10 ohms. So the value of V output is 30 volt. That is the voltage across a 6 ohms resistor is 30 volt. Very simple problem. See the second problem. Two resistors are connected in series across 24 voltage supply. See these two resistors and a current of 3 ampere. The current flowing through the circuit is 3 ampere. If one of the resistors has a value of resistance 2, assume any resistance is having, any one of the resistor is having 2 ohms. I am representing R1 as 2 ohms. Determine the value of the other resistor, the potential difference across the 2 ohms resistor. If the circuit is connected for 50 hours, how much energy is used? And we have to find the energy also if the circuit is on for 50 hours. It is very easy problem. So this is the circuit diagram, 24 volts and the resistance is connected. Assume any one of the resistors has 2 ohms. Now according to Ohm's law, the supplied total voltage can be given by total current flowing through the circuit and the total resistance that present in the circuit. They have given the supplied voltage as 24 volt. The current flowing through the circuit is 3 ampere. So we can find the total resistance, right? So V divided by I. V divided by I is 24 divided by 3 is nothing but is 8 ohms. So total resistance is 8 ohms. They have given the value of one resistance as 2 ohms. So R2 could be found by R total minus R1. In the series circuit, the total resistance is summing of all the resistance that present in the circuit. According to that formula, we can find the value of R2. So R2 would be equal to 8 minus 2. R2 is 6 ohm. The value of R2 is 6 ohm. R1 is 2 and R2 is 6 ohms. They asked the potential difference across the 2 ohms resistor. That is V1. The potential difference across the 2 ohms resistor assumed as V1. So the current flowing through the circuit into the resistance. The current flowing through the series circuit is same and the current is given as 3 ampere and the resistance across 2 ohms. So V1 is equal to 6 volt. They have asked us the energy used for 50 hours. What is the formula of energy? Energy is a product of power into time. The value of power is V supplied into current supplied into time taken. V supplied is total supplied voltage is 24 and the total supplied current is 3 ampere and it is supplying for 50 hours. 50 hours. So the energy value is 3600 watt hour or 3.6 kilowatt hour. Simple. Energy supplied for 50 hours is 3.6 kilowatt hour. This problem, an arc lamp takes 9.6 ampere at 55 volt. It is operated from 120 volt supply. Find the value of stabilizing resistance to be connected in series. See, understand the problem first. They have given an arc lamp which takes a current of 9.6 ampere at 55 volt. It is operated from 120 volt supply. So the input supply is 120 and the potential difference across the arc lamp is 55 volt. and they have asked the value of resistor to be connected in series to stabilize the value. Let's first draw the circuit diagram. See, this is a circuit supplying of 120 volt and it is connected to the arc lamp. This takes a current of 9.6 ampere and we have to connect a resistor to stabilize the voltage. That is, the voltage taken by the arc lamp is just 55 volt. Remaining voltage must drop in this resistor and we have to find the value of the resistor, because the supplied voltage is 120 but the voltage taken by the arc lamp is just 55 volt. The remaining voltage must be dropped in this resistor and we have to find the value of the resistor present in the circuit to stabilize the voltage value. Understood? So this is the arc lamp connected to the circuit. So assume the voltage drop across the arc lamp is V1 and the potential drop across the resistor would be V2. In the series circuit, the total voltage V input is equal to drops that present in the circuit. So 120 volt is equal to V1 is 55 volt plus V2. So the value of V2 would be 120 minus 55, that is 65 volt. We can find this by using voltage divided technique also, but we need the value of resistor. So we can find this by equation itself. Okay. Now we can find the value of resistor R. The resistor value would be found by Ohm's law. Resistor can be given by potential drop across the resistor V2 divided by current flowing through the circuit. In the series, the current would be same. So the 9.6 ampere only will be flowing through resistance also. So the value of resistor is 65 divided by 9.6. We'll get the value as 6.750 ohm. So the R value to stabilize the voltage value is 6.750 ohm. Understood? See, in this problem, an oven takes 15 ampere at 240 volt. It is required to reduce the current to 12 ampere. Find the resistor which must be connected in series and the voltage across the resistor. It is very easy. Let's see the solution. See, first the oven has been connected to a 240 volt supply and it takes a current of 15 ampere. So the resistance of this condition would be, according to Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. So 240 divided by 15 ampere, the resistance is 16 ohm. The resistance is 16 ohm. Now the current must be reduced, right? The current must be reduced to 12 amps. So we have to connect the resistor to reduce the current value, right? Resistor will resist the flow of current. We can see the circuit to reduce the current value. See, the oven has been connected with the resistance in series 240 volt. 240 volt. We know the resistance of the oven of 16 ohm, right? Now the circuit must flow of 12 ampere current. So the total resistance to flow the 12 ampere current is 240 divided by 12 is 20 ohm. The resistance is increased. Since the current is reduced, the resistance is increased. The value of resistance which we found for oven is 16 ohm, right? But we need the value of 20 ohm. So this resistance we can take the remaining value. So the R value which we have taken here must be of 4 ohms to get the 20 ohms resistor. 16 ohms in oven which is already present. So we have to take a 4 ohms resistor in series to reduce the value of the current of 12 ampere. Now they have asked us to find the potential difference across this resistor, which is, assume this as V1. We need the value of potential difference across this resistor. we can find by using the voltage division rule or voltage divider equation. So V1 would be equal to V supplied into resistance divided by total resistance, 16 plus 4. V1 is equal to Vs is what? 240 volt, and the resistance is 4 divided by 20. Voltage drop across the resistance of 4 ohms is 48 volt. First we have to find the total value of resistance of 15 ampere. To reduce the current value, the resistance must be increased. So the resistance increased of 4 ohms, and the potential difference across those resistors is found by using the voltage divider rule. This is the value. Understood? I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Wi-Fi Learn. Thank you.